AI and Robotics, Revolutionizing Industries and Shaping Our Future, Being Enriched. Introduction. Welcome back to Being Enriched. In today's exploration, we're embarking on a thrilling journey into the realm of robotics powered by artificial intelligence, AI. From manufacturing floors to healthcare settings, AI-driven robots are transforming industries and reshaping the way we live and work. Join us as we delve deep into the dynamic world of AI and robotics. Chapter 1: The Marriage of AI and Robotics. To understand the impact of AI in robotics, we'll start by exploring the synergistic relationship between these two technologies. AI provides the brains, enabling robots to perceive, learn, and adapt to their environments. Chapter 2: Industrial Revolution 4.0: Robotics in Manufacturing. In manufacturing, robots equipped with AI are revolutionizing production lines. We'll uncover how AI-driven robots are enhancing efficiency, precision, and safety in industries from automotive to electronics. Chapter 3: Robots in Healthcare, Precision and Care. Healthcare is experiencing a robotic revolution, with AI-powered machines assisting in surgeries, diagnostics, and patient care. We'll explore the life-saving applications of these robotic assistants. Chapter 4: AI-powered drones, taking flight beyond imagination. Drones are no longer just for hobbyists, they're becoming powerful tools for various industries. We'll discuss how AI enables drones to perform tasks like aerial surveys, search and rescue, and delivery. Chapter 5: The Service Sector, Robots in Retail and Hospitality. Robots are making their way into the service sector, from retail stores to hotels and restaurants. We'll explore how AI-driven robots are enhancing customer experiences and streamlining operations. Chapter 6: Education and Companion Robots. Robots are becoming educational tools and companions. Discover how AI-powered robots are assisting teachers, helping children with special needs, and providing companionship to the elderly. Chapter 7: AI Ethics in Robotics. As AI-driven robots become more integrated into our lives, ethical considerations become crucial. We'll delve into the ethical challenges and responsible development of AI in robotics. Chapter 8: Future Innovations and Beyond. As we conclude our journey, we'll peer into the future of AI and robotics. What exciting innovations await us, and how will they continue to enrich our lives and industries? Conclusion. AI and robotics are not just about automation, they're about transformation. They're about enhancing human potential, improving efficiency, and solving complex challenges. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding of the dynamic synergy between AI and robotics. If you found this journey through AI and robotics enlightening, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more enriching content on the topics that shape our world. Stay enriched and stay curious.